Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Flapjacky skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with our eyes first. So we're going to draw in the opening, so we're just going to draw in the two circles of a very cool looking hoodie. So I'm going to draw one circle and then come across. Let's draw another one. Alright, and then once we have that, we can draw in our eyes inside. So we're going to draw one line across and just kind of dip it down to the corner. We're going to start on this side. You can draw the corner first. Just kind of go up and then go across. And then for this side, we're going to come down. We're just going to connect back to the middle. Okay, same thing on both sides. And then let's draw on the inside. So for the eyeball, it's going to be nice and big for the iris. Okay, and then for the highlight, I'm just going to draw one circle. And then I'm going to shade around it. Give the eye some life. Circle, and then I'll just shade around it. Alright, so that's your eye, so nice and cartoony, and let's draw in the rest of the face. So for the rest of the hoodie and the mask, just come down the middle right here. You can make a little point, and then I'm just gonna curve down, and then I'm gonna go back up past the eye area here. Alright, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in her lips. So we just come down again, right on the corner. Corner to corner, just draw a little line. And then for the lower lip, I'm just gonna draw one line. And then I'm gonna connect those. Alright, so that's the lower lip. And then for the upper lip, smaller line, a little bit shorter. And then just kind of give it a little bit of a curve, connecting to the corner. Alright, so that's the lip, and then let's finish up the face. So come back to the side, about right around here, on about the width of the eye area. I'm just gonna draw a bracket all the way down. So I'm gonna start here, drawing her jaw, and then just close it off, kind of flatten it out a little bit. Okay, and then to finish up the hoodie right here, we're just gonna draw the inside. Just for now. So just come down on the side here toward the chin, and then we'll go down. Just kind of come straight down. And then we'll close it off, just come straight across. I know it's a little bit weird, we're drawing the inside first, but now we're gonna draw on the outside. Alright, so for the outside, we're gonna come to the side here. Might be easier if we just draw in a little bracket. So that's going to be the width of the head. And then for this part here, we're just going to continue this. So this one's easy, we're just following this curve here. Okay, and then for the top, we're just going to curve all the way around. So that's going to be the head. And let's just add in a little bit of detail here. I'm just going to draw in from the eye area here. I'm just going to draw in a line. Okay, and then for the inside, let's just go ahead and draw in her neck. So I'm just going to draw in two little lines inside. Alright, and then for the bunny ears, this one's pretty easy. So we can start right around here, right above the eye. You can make a little mark. Then we're going to go up. It's going to be pretty big. And then for this area here, right around here, you can make a little mark. And then we're just going to come back down to it. Curve. Okay, so the other side, right around here, you can make a little mark. And same thing here. Down, just kind of curve it. And let's add a little bit of detail. I'm just going to add another line So we're just gonna follow that. So this one's easy. Alright, so that's the very cool looking bunny head. So let's move on down to the body. So for the body, it's kind of weird too. It's got this really thick jacket. So we're gonna start out right here. Let's just draw a little bit of the shoulder. And it won't be that wide because the head is pretty big. Okay, and then from here, I'm just gonna curve this one down. So this is gonna be the length of her jacket. We're gonna come back to the middle here. We're gonna draw the inside. So around the side here, we're gonna come straight down. Same thing here. And then once you have this, just kind of close this off. Okay, and then let's just add in a little bit of a detail here. I'm just gonna draw another line. So we're just following that line. Just got a little bit of a border here. All right, and then for the inside, looks like she's got some scarf. So here's the middle, just come over slightly, and then we're gonna come down. And there's gonna be a little bit of angle here. So this is one piece of the scarf. And then on the inside here, looks like, I guess this thing wraps around. So I'm gonna draw one line across, and then just the other piece of the scarf here, the other end. So just draw it down and then come across. So it's kind of behind this the bigger one. And then let's add in a little bit of detail. So I'm just gonna follow this line here. And even for this one, start here, just go straight across. All right, so that's the jacket, and let's finish up the little skirt area right here because it's so simple. On the side here, I'm just gonna come down slightly, and then we'll just curve this all the way around. Okay, so that's gonna be the bottom of the skirt. So before we draw in any more, let's come back up and finish up the arms. So our arms are pretty simple because it's just one big puffy jacket. So we're gonna continue this on the shoulder. Just come all the way down here. So that's gonna be her elbow. And then just add in a little bit of angle. Okay, because it's gonna be kind of a little bit bunched up here. And then we're gonna curve this one down. And we're gonna start in here. Come down, close it. And then we're gonna draw in the cuff, which is kind of thick. All right, so it's very puffy. And then for her hand, so we're gonna start here. Come down, that's her thumb. Just kind of hook it back up. Slant down. And then come back up here, here's the back of her hand. And then from here, we're gonna draw in the finger. So we're gonna curl this, and then go back up, and just connect that. And then for the other finger, we just gotta draw one more inside here. So it looks like it's bent. All right, and then for the details here, let's just add in some lines. So I'm gonna add one line here, and then she's got a little bit of a band here. So I'm gonna draw two lines and then one more just to divide it in half. All right, so let's draw on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. So start on the shoulder, come down, right about the elbow area, just give it a little bit angle. So you can use the other side for reference. Come down, and start in here. Close that off. And same thing here for the cuff. And then for her hand, it's gonna be the same. Come down for the thumb. Come back up. Slant. Back of the hand. And then her finger. So we're just gonna curl this slightly. Again, the other finger, just a little bit. And the same detail here, so these are easy. We're just gonna draw in some lines. We'll cut that in half. Okay, so that's the upper body. And she's got a pretty unique lower body too. Let's see, let's draw in her legs. So we're gonna start on this side here. So this is a skirt, and here's the side. So we're gonna come down, and then here's the middle, right, of the skirt. So we're gonna come over. All right, and then we're just gonna close that off. And then her knee is showing. So we're just gonna draw in 2 brackets, and then just close that off. All right, and before we draw in the bottom, let's draw in, finish the other legs first. So we're gonna come to the side, come down. Again, here's the middle, come over. So same thing here. Almost like a square, but I'm just adding a little bit of curve. All right, and then now let's draw in the lower leg. So for the lower leg, I'm gonna start back up here, come out. This is gonna flare out. Come back in, close it, and there's gonna be one section. And then for a shoe, it's really simple. It's just gonna be regular sneakers. So we're gonna come down straight here, and then this side we're gonna come out, close it, and yeah, let's finish up the detail. So for the detail here, just come over to this side here. Let's draw a little dome shape, and then for the sides, we're just gonna go straight out. All right, so same thing here. Flare out. Use the other side for reference. Come back in, close it, add in one section. Come down. This side's gonna go out more. And then same thing here. Come to this side, draw a little dome shape. And then from the corner, just go out to the side. All right, and then let's add some details here. For this one, I'm just gonna draw one line across, and then here we're just gonna draw another line here. So that's gonna be one of the stripes. So line across, and I'm just gonna follow this. All right, and let's add in one more stripe up here. So these are really simple, right? Because we did the hard part already. We're just adding in some of the little details. Let's see, for the her little pant here, just draw a little, just kind of come back up and come back down, and then I'm going to follow that line. Okay, so from here, same thing here, come down. All right, and then she's got some straps here, so this is a really small detail right on the corner here. Just gotta go up. And then to finish that off, there's one shape here, so I'm just gonna draw in this line here, and there's gonna be coming down here, so it's gonna be right around there. And that is it for this Flapjacky skin in Fortnite. It's definitely a very unique looking character. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.